Hello guys and welcome to a new music class with Miguel. Today we have our instrument video. So that means that if you're watching this video, you are a guitar player. If you are not a guitar player, then you have to go back to Schoology and check out your specific video. So today we're going to see two new exercises for this week. Okay, the first one is going to be this one right here. It's going to be in the funk style. It's similar to what we did last time, but we're gonna be mixing a little bit of things, okay? So if you can see right here, okay, we're gonna have four chords. We have D, G, A, and D, but they're not gonna be the same D or G or A that you have known so far, okay? So let me just show you what those chords are going to be. For the D chord, you're gonna be using this one right here. As you can see in the tabs, it's 775, so it's going to be 775. That's going to be D. Then you have G, which is 787. Then you have A, which is 910-9. And finally you have D, which is going to be not the same one we did right here, because it's going to be another one right here, 11-10-10. Okay, 11-10-10. So you have D, G, A, and D again. Okay, and what's going to be the rhythm? Okay, if you see on the staff, again, we're going to have four 16th notes per beat. Okay, so in the first group, we're going to have the first 16th note is going to be played. Then you have 2 muted, 1 played, then 2 muted, 1 played, 2 muted, 1 played, 2 muted, 1 played, and in the end, 3 muted. I know it looks like something like extremely difficult, but when I play it, you will understand exactly what it is you're going to play. So let me go very slow so you can see how it goes. So let me just put the first chord right here. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, and. Okay, again, 3, and. Okay, let me go a little bit faster. 1, 2, 3, and. Okay, again, 3, and. Okay, now let me just play the entire exercise so you can actually understand what's happening, and the more you hear it, the more, the easier it will sound, okay? The more you will understand it, okay? So let me just play the entire thing. It's going to be 2 times, remember, because you have here a repetition bar, okay? And it's going to sound like this. 1, 2, 3, and. Again. Okay, I messed up a little bit in the last one because of my chord technique. Okay, let me do it again one more time. 3, and. Okay, so that is going to be the first exercise. Okay, it's a little bit difficult, but once you get the process, okay, it's not going to be that hard. Okay, so don't get frustrated. Then we have exercise number 2, which is going to be in the blues style. Okay, this is going to be a little bit easier than the first one. Okay, and as you can see, every time we use blues, we're going to have 7th chords. That's why we have here E7, A7, B7, and E7. So if you see the tabs, here you have the chords done. E7 is going to be like this: 0, 0, 2, 0, 1, 0, 0. Then we have A7, 0, 2, 0, 2, 0. Then you have B7, which is 2, 1, 2, 0, 2. And finally go back to E7. Now, blues normally will be written in 12/8, as you can see right here in the time signature. That simply means that for every bar, you're going to fill it with 12 eighth notes. Okay, and here we have all the eighth notes divided into groups of 3. Now, as you can see, every first eighth note of the group of 3, I have it in red. Why? Because when you play that one, you have to play that one louder. You have to play that with an accent. Okay? If you counted 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, the accent is going to be on the 1, on the red notes. Okay? So when you play, let me just play only E7. I'm not going to change. And you're going to do it like this. The first one of every group of 3 will have an accent. So 3 and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay? So let me just play the entire exercise. It's going to be 2 times because you have repetition bars. Don't forget about that. And this will sound like this. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Again, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay? Now, one recommendation is that before you actually play the chords, you can simply practice your groove on your right hand so that it becomes natural to play. Okay? It's like the first one you're playing harder, and then the other 2 are just bouncing. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, it's not that hard, but once you get into the groove, the same thing with exercise number 1. Once you get into the groove, it's going to be easy not to do it correctly. Okay, so it's just getting you into the groove. The entire point of this exercise that we're seeing every week is not so much to give like flexibility in your right hand, okay, but it's also getting you into playing different styles, different grooves. Okay, that's the most important thing, because a good musician should be able to play different things, different styles, different genres, different grooves, different feelings of music. Okay, and this is going to be very important for you. Okay, I'm trying to give you not songs, but actual things that can make you better when you start learning other songs in other styles. So as always, the tasks is going to be that you're going to record yourself on video playing the 2 exercises. You have 1 week to practice, so you record the best video possible. And as always, I will consider beat, chord technique, right hand technique, and sound quality when grading the exercise. Okay, so those are the things that you need to do for this instrument task, and I will see you next class. Bye bye.